Welcome to Moonrise, a smarter way to take coffee orders. Moonrise connects your cafe to local customers through a beautiful mobile experience. It lets them place pickup orders in advance or while they're walking to your shop, so their drink is ready right when they arrive. It's built for independent coffee shops that want modern tools without any extra screens, software, or staff training. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to set up Moonrise from start to finish, so you can start receiving mobile orders today. Let's get started. First, create your account using your email and a secure password. Next, connect your Square checkout system. This allows Moonrise to sync your locations, menu items, and accept orders directly through Square, without needing any new hardware or changes to how you already operate. Just sign in, approve the connection, and you're instantly linked. Now it's time to choose which of your locations will appear in the Moonrise app. Today, we're selecting Starlight Brew, our flagship cafe. Every shop is different, and Moonrise adapts. Moonrise supports two types of storefronts: standard and mobile. The standard storefront is for brick-and-mortar locations. It supports three types of orders. Standard orders, ready as soon as possible. Scheduled orders, customers choose a pickup time. Moonwalk orders, location-based orders that only start preparing once the customer is nearby, so the drink is always fresh. Standard storefronts follow your Square business hours and automatically appear as available during open times. The mobile storefront is built for food trucks and mobile coffee setups. You choose when to go live and when to go offline. No fixed schedule. Your location is tracked in real time, so customers can see exactly where you are and meet you for pickup. To keep things simple, mobile storefronts only support standard orders. Next, we'll decide what to sell. Your items and categories are pulled directly from Square. You can feature best sellers or fine-tune exactly what customers see. Now that your shop is live on Moonrise, let's add Moonbeam, our hardware device that helps your team stay in sync. The Moonbeam is a small speaker light that activates when a mobile order comes in. It's important because most checkout systems don't have speakers or notifications, so orders can be missed. Moonbeam makes sure you never miss a beat. Each Moonbeam is tied to a specific shop. Let's set it up. Start by plugging it in. You'll see its LEDs twinkle like stars. That means it's ready to connect. Start the pairing process in the app. Moonrise will search for your Moonbeam automatically. Choose your store's Wi-Fi network and enter the password. This lets Moonbeam connect directly to the internet, so it works on its own. No phone required. During setup, it may restart a few times. While that's happening, we'll show helpful tips on screen to guide you. Once it's online, Moonbeam begins quietly pulsing to show it's connected. When a new order comes in, it starts with a soft green fade and gentle chime. If not acknowledged, the lights shift to yellow, then red, and the sound becomes more noticeable. You can also customize Moonbeam. Adjust LED brightness. Set the volume level. We'll keep the lights subtle, but turn the sound up just in case we're across the room. Let's run a test alert now. We'll cycle through each notification so you can preview what it looks and sounds like. Looks great. Setup complete. Moonbeam is now ready to help your team stay focused and never miss an order. Now let's look at what the customer sees. With your shop live on the Moonrise app, customers will find you on the map. They can browse your menu, select drinks, customize their order, and check out in seconds. Today we're ordering an iced latte, grande size, with oat milk and honey. These options come straight from your Square catalog. Once the order is set, they can tip, choose the pickup style, and check out. Moonrise orders are picked up at the Moon Landing Zone, a small sign you place near the register, so customers can skip the line and grab their drink. As soon as the order is placed, Moonbeam lights up. Your shop app shows a new order, and your checkout system displays it just like any other ticket. Tap to open it. Here's the iced latte with all modifiers. You'll see a note that says, Moonrise order, place in the moon landing zone. Everything else works just like a normal order. Tap In Progress to acknowledge it. That tells Moonrise the order is being made and clears the Moonbeam alert. As you update the order status from In Progress to Ready, the customer receives push notifications at each step. From here on out, it's effortless. New order comes in. Moonbeam alerts your team. You acknowledge it in your checkout system, and you're done. It's fast, familiar, and takes less than 30 seconds. With Moonrise, you're connected, from customer to counter. Just link your Square account, set up Moonbeam, and start serving mobile orders with confidence.